starting the stream. Alright, chats and chatters. I am back. I am back. Okay, fuck, I don't know why I'm exhausted today, chat. I don't know why. Yes. Hold up. Okay, chat. I mean, there are a few announcements I want to make for today's stream. First of all, I think the first thing I want to talk about on this stream is just I will be stopping the XCOM project. The XCOM project. I haven't really given it a name yet, but I'll be stopping on the XCOM 2 fan project. That's like the first thing I'm gonna say for today's stream. I'm stopping that project. That project is currently on a hiatus of an unspecified time. Alright, chat. I do not have the skill. Why is my Visual Studio Code already open? Hold up. Oh, whoopsie daisy. That's from last night. Whoopsie daisies. Hold up. But basically, chat. Hold up. Let me just open up a new script real quick. Okay. Basically. The project is, I'll take okay. Unity has its limitations, alright? Unity has its limitations when it comes to processing stuff. Like, it has way too many limitations, and I'm just gonna say, I don't think I have the skills for making a game like XCOM. I'm gonna be really honest. Like, as of right now, I don't have enough skill. Like, I ain't skilled. But there's one thing I'm gonna say. I am not completely giving up on the project. Hold on, let me load the background music real quick. There we go. I am basically, in a sense, putting that project on hold. Most likely will be, when I bring this project back, I most likely will be coding in oh, hold up, my phone is... Okay, I'll most likely be coding it in JavaScript and okay, I'll most likely be doing it in a different game engine. I'm thinking more of JavaScript instead of instead of C#, because if I'm not wrong, JavaScript is faster than C#, and that's why I really do not like the Unity game engine, because it is a really slow game engine. Like it's really slow. You need to put in a lot of effort to optimize it, and I'm not sure if you guys know, I spent several days trying to optimize one function. Sorry, not even just optimize it, just make it work. And then I have to optimize it later on, which it was very fucking difficult. And I think we both know I do not have the skill. I ain't skilled. Alright. Another thing I do want to say is that, although I'm not really giving up on it, I am gonna start on 2 new game projects. They're not gonna start at the same time, but they are gonna be building off. Okay. Okay, in a sense, it's gonna be like the building blocks. Like in a sense, practice. I don't know how to explain this. Basically. Okay, let me just use video game terms. I think that's gonna be easier. I'm going to do side quests before I do the main quest. All right, I'll be grinding side quests to level up, so I can do the main quest with a lot of ease. Okay, that is big video game talk. The video game explanation. I am learning how to get good before I do the main quest. Fuck, hold up. I'm trying to keep my controller real quick. Hold up. Fuck. The controller box is so finicky. Why? Why is the controller box so finicky? Hold up. Also, chat, my controller that I used to play Dark Souls on fucking broke. Like, I mean, like, they're not right. It's just malfunctioning. It's just not working as intended. The buttons ain't buttoning anymore. Sorry, joystick ain't joysticking anymore. So I had to buy a new controller. Jesus Christ, the box of this new controller is really annoying. Hold up. But I'm just not gonna keep it in the box. I'm just gonna leave it on my desk. Fuck it. I'll keep it later. But anyways, chat. So the plan for today's stream is okay. I'm gonna put up Photoshop real quick so I can show you guys what my plan is. All right. Oh fuck it. Adobe is taking a bit. Give it a sec. Do I have Photoshop already open on OBS? Hold up. Okay. Okay, I think Adobe is opened. Where is? Yeah. Window capture 4 code. The display capture. Yeah, what the fuck is this? Okay. I hope this works. Does it work? I can't tell if it works. Hold up. Where is? Hold up. Let me mute my mic real quick. Sorry, that was my mother. Anyways, as I was saying, right? Hold up. Let me. Where the fuck is me? Where is? Hold up. What the fuck is this shit? Where is me? Photoshop. Excuse me. Really, hold up. I don't know if this would work. Hold up. Is it possible I do? Oh, okay, that's a bit big. Hold up. Is there a way I can shrink this? Alright, okay, hold up. Let me open a new file first. Hold up. Boom. Okay, so why is it not updated? Hello. Oh my god, it's frozen. Oh my god. What the fuck? Hold up. Why isn't this thing? Huh? Okay, why isn't Photoshop being picked up by this? It's so annoying. Hold up. No. Okay, would this work now? Okay, I don't have any clue. Yeah, I don't think it would. If I can. Okay, wait. I can. Huh? So, Adobe Photoshop. What the actual fuck? Hold up. How the fuck do I get Photoshop up and to explain shit? Not this. Oh, not that. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna just show display. Okay, there we go. Alright, so essentially what I plan to do. Oh fuck, why is this thing so big? There we go. I made it smaller. Okay. Wait, let me make this a bit smaller. I'm gonna pull up Pirates Rafter, but instead of MS Paint, I'm gonna use Photoshop. Anyway, anyways, so the games I've made so far is in the fuck. Shit. Oh my god, I can't write with a mouse. You know what? Hold up. Let me just use the fucking text tool in Photoshop. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Okay, I've made it. Okay, you know what? Fuck, I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, so the main project, I'm just gonna call it XCOM 2 fan. Let's just imagine this is XCOM 2 fan project. All right, chat. There's this squiggle on the screen. XCOM 2 fan project. I'm gonna be stopping on this for a bit because I do not have the skills. So I'm gonna, in a sense, make two games. Like that's my new plan. I have like two games in mind. Game number one is game number one, which is the one I'm gonna make first, is it's basically like a remake of one of my old games that I have, but in this time in Unity. I initially coded in Python as like a text-based game, but now I'm just gonna port it over to Unity. And the next game I'm gonna be doing is a management sim that is basically text. That's like gonna be heavily inspired from the Long War 2 mod from XCOM, like the Long War 2 mod from XCOM. Those are basically my two like stepping stones in a sense before I work on this main big project, like this big ass project. So it's gonna be I already have a name for this tool. This one's gonna be basically just Infinity Dungeon, but like instead of having the dungeon spelled out, I'm just gonna have a D, and then this one's gonna be this one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it, but I think D com. Basically, a bit like a rip off XCOM, but like it's you're managing like a soldier group in like the dungeons, because that's kind of like I'm trying to make a tiny bit of lore just for like the fun of it. Basically just you're trapped in an endless dungeon. That's basically like kind of the plot. And then okay, there we go. Hold up. And then fuck. So I'm basically gonna work on this. Then I'm gonna work on this. Then I'm gonna work on this. I should probably name this game as well, but fuck, hold up. Oh right, that's the eraser tool, but you know, fuck it. So yeah, that is my plan. I'm gonna work on Infinity Dungeon. Well, I'm gonna I actually have one more game, but the loop, it's just a dungeon loop, a looping dungeon. I'm gonna update this first. I have the update almost done. It's a very simple quality of life update. I plan to add more stuff to the loop, but however, I feel the way I initially coded it, like way back last year, the loop. So, oh fuck! Sorry, fuck! I forgot. It's this year. It's not 2026 yet. Fuck. Okay. Anyways, earlier this year. My bad. Earlier this year, right? The way I coded the loop earlier this year is so bad I do not think I can work with this code anymore. Like it's actual suffering. So I'm gonna, in a sense, I'm gonna update it one last time for just some quality of life stuff, and then I'm gonna abandon it for a while. Or maybe once I'm done with decom, I'm gonna come back to this, remake it, make it better, more presentable, and maybe add a bit more content to it, and then work on yeah, I don't have a name for this shit yet. You know what? I'm just gonna call it D-Strike. Yeah, D-Strike. I'm gonna call it D-Strike. It's all within the same dungeon universe. But anyway, so basically we're gonna start. Today we're gonna be working on Infinity Dungeon. Then once we complete the game, we're gonna my plan is to support that game for maybe like a while more, while also working on decom. Then remake a D-Loop, then go to the D-Strike. That's my plan. Alright, that's my plan. Anyways. Hold up. There we go. There we go. That's my plan. That's my little master plan for now. Is it a bit convoluted? Yes, it is a bit convoluted, but I am basically doing the Elden Ring equivalent of just exploring. So anyways, I'm not sure if you guys know. Oh wait, you guys don't. I think most viewers would not know what M Strike is, right? Sorry, no, not M Strike. Infinity Dungeon. Hold up. Let me just show you guys Infinity Dungeon real quick. Oh, I think this should be the right file. Hold up. Well, it's basically just a text-based Python game. Hold up. Let me pull it up on stream. You know, I'm gonna reuse this code real quick. Is it possible? Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, it works. It works. Hold up. Hold up. Let me just hide this just in case it docks my accidentally donks my information. Hold up. Is it? Oh yeah, it uses my hold up. Hold up. Oh, I can't actually show part of it because it does reveal my Python, or like where this thing actually comes from, like the root folder. Hold up. Thank God I did not show that on stream. Hold up. Do I have like is that like an online code compiler? Hold up. Online code compiler. Oh, I know this thing doesn't have the power to run. Yeah, fuck it. I can actually I could make a video about it, but nah. I'll probably I'll just leave it as abandoned. Okay, the old version of it is just gonna be just abandoned stuff. Hold up. Where is this? There we go. Should work. There we go. All right, so we're gonna start working on. What's this? Oh, that's the arrow. Hold up. Let me bring you to the side here. There we go. All right. Okay, so the idea is it's going to be a turn-based game. I have basically the entire thing in a sense laid out from a few years ago, where I made a game in Python. So that should be a decently easy project for me. Let me create a. I actually don't have any like art assets for this game. I just realized. Hold up. Fuck it. Player. Okay, hold up. Oh wait, no, fuck. Hold up. Let me delete these scripts real quick. Fuck it. No. I'll delete a few scripts real quick, cause I. Okay, hold up. Yeah, no, I'm gonna. I pressed the wrong button. Hold up. Create C script. Game manager. Hold up. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna create a script folder. Hold up. Folder. Fuck. Okay. Script. Then I'm gonna leave that. Oh, that also reminds. I'm gonna import some of my old code from not really old code, but code from oh yeah, but just so you know, the file for the game, or like what I had, like the temporary name is mstrike. So I'm just gonna, for now, I'm just gonna call it mstrike. Fuck it. Scripts. What I'm basically doing is just gonna yoink this entire folder. Let me open this actually. Hold up. Yoink. Okay, there we go. Jesus Christ. Oh right, I need to import my tags real quick. Hold up. But where's my tag script actually? Where did I keep my tag script? The test script. There we go. Tags. This is a very important script for me. Camera based game manager. Oh, hold up. Game manager camera base. Okay, I'm just gonna comment this whole thing out first because it does build off existing code, but that's if I need this piece of code. Hold up, Control Z, Control S. I'm just gonna delete this thing first because I don't actually need this. Hold up. Look at camera because I don't need this for a 2D game. Just delete this. All right, so okay, wait. I'm trying to figure out where, like, how to start because fuck. It's been so long since I fucking like started a new project. Because the thing is, I haven't really started too many new projects in Unity. In a sense, this is like I think 4, but whatever. Because there is a lot that needs to be done, and I don't know where to start. It's like anyways, yeah, let's just start with an entity script real quick. Entity. Hold up. ENTI. Yeah, fuck it, whatever. I think that I spelled it correctly. Fuck it. Entity. Okay. Just so you know, so like you guys know, the D-loop, sorry, no, not D-loop, the Infinite Dungeon game is actually like heavily inspired of one of the games that I still play to this day. It's called Ilona Mobile. Like the stats and a lot of like the systems and calculations are just inspired from that, and I just, in a sense, imported to here because I thought, you know what, this will be an interesting mechanic to add, and I just added it. I don't know. Anyways, hold up. I'm just gonna call it this thing entity stats real quick. Let's add a stats. Why not? Entity. Yeah, we're gonna rename this. Actually, rename stats. Okay. So this Chromebook is actually getting in the way. Hold up. Okay. Public. Hold up. Public. And so okay. So that's the 6 main stats. I'm gonna ignore the 4s. Okay. I'm just gonna do strength. Public. And the constitution. public integer dexterity public and trans public and I forgot one more stat. Hold up. I forgot one stat. Hold up. Public integer position and willpower. There we go. We're actually gonna make a few functions here real quick. Right. I forgot to add the health. Right. I forgot to add the health. Right. Public and attack damage. Hold up. Attack damage. Public and attack multiplier. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. Base attack damage. 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 Attack damage. Attack multiplier. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove damage real quick. There we go. Attack multiplier. Public. Is health and health flyer, and we're just gonna have defense set here. Hold up. Public and base defense, and then we're gonna add more stats in this. Oh, you also need mana, right? And the actions multiplier. Okay. Oh, damn it! I should probably make the art assets off stream so that I don't actually have to so I can easily import them on stream, so I can import them on stream and then just apply them, so I don't really have to spend too much time on stream doing the art. I mean, I could do the art on stream if you guys want to see that. Do leave I turned my code up. Do leave like a tiny comment like, hey, I do the art on stream, no balls, or something like that. I don't know. Just voice it out. Like, hey, if you guys want to see me actually draw on stream, why the fuck not? Free content, I guess. Defense multiplier. I think this. Oh, right, mana, right? Public, and base mana. Public. Sorry, mana. Oh fuck! I forgot something. Max. Mana. Flyer. Max. Oh, my mic is in a really awkward position. Hold up. Why is it in a lock? There we go. Okay. Max mana multiplier. I forgot this only, but whatever. And mana public and max mana. I forgot to add that earlier, and also I'm gonna do it for the help as well. Hold up. Where public, yeah, public, and hold up. Hold up. Let me think real quick. Hold up. Max 12. Got like a brain freeze there. What the fuck? Like a brain fog. Public. And health. Okay, there we go. Okay, current health. These are just gonna be the stats I'm gonna work with for now. Alright. Oh yeah, hold up. Let me delete this game object. Hold up. Create 2D object. So I can just create like a. Wait, what the fuck is this? What's an open shape? Edit shape. Oh, what the fuck? The fuck? You can do this in Unity now? The fuck? I didn't know this. That's interesting. Okay. I'm just gonna keep this in mind for now, but yeah, I'm just gonna import some temporary assets real quick. Hold up. Let me create a folder. Temp assets. Let me find. Yeah, I know some temporary assets in my computer. Hold up. Yeah, I'm just gonna reuse the dloop assets real quick. Hold up. Can I? Where did I keep dloop? Hold up. Hold up. Vloop. Show and explorer. Assets. Sprites. I'm just gonna drag the entire sprites folder in. Fuck it. Hold up. Yoink. Okay, this should work. Okay, hold up. There we go. Alright. I basically just yoinked all the assets. Hold up. I'm gonna temporarily reuse this for now. Can I drag you? Okay, I can drag you in here. There we go. Hell yeah. Entity stats. Okay. There's a few ways I can like code this. I can code this as like a like objects on screen kind of thing, where I just have a bunch of game objects, in a sense, having their own brain, or I can have the computer. I don't really. How the fuck? How do I fuck explain this? Fuck. Okay. Shit. Okay. No, let me stick my terms real quick. It's starting to get a bit weird. Hold up. Anyways. Okay, so there's a few ways I can actually like run this, because Unity, like making a game in Unity and making a game in like Python and a Python script is very different. In like, let's say a fucking okay, let's say I'm running a Python script, and the Python is wait, fuck no. That's not a really good way to explain it. Okay, because in Python, it's not really like a game engine of itself, so you kind of have to like make everything kind of Fuck, I don't know how to explain this. Fuck. It's because I'm just gonna say this because it's just so. It feels so different. Making a game in Python and making a game in Unity is. It's just really different. Yeah. Button. Okay, hold up. Canvas button. Attack. Hold up. Text color button. Alright, I need to import TMP if sent shows. Alright. So I need to import TMP, right? Of course, I completely forgot about TMP, right? TMP is like one thing that Unity keeps freaking out upon, but I just don't know why it freaks out. Like, come on, chill. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm actually gonna add the game manager script to main camera real quick. Hold up. Do you have game manager? Excuse me. Get components, sir. Thank you. Put this as your main component. I'm gonna actually gray you out a bit. Wait, is that what I can solid colors? Depth only. Is that where I can add a background image? Okay, I don't think I can add a background image yet, but I'll keep that in mind. Canvas, I'll keep you world space. Hold up. Yeah, hold up. I'm just gonna make a fucking camera. Not main camera. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, that works a lot better. That works a lot better. Okay. Pixel perfect. Sorting layer. Okay, wait. Let's actually make you go. Okay, let's set you to 10 for UI. Because you usually for UI I put it at like 10 or 15, depending on how many layers there are to the game. Like how many layers there are in terms of sprite. Since this is going to be like a turn-based game, this is going to be surprisingly simple in terms of like layer ordering and everything. Hold up. Entity stats. But that reminds me. Public. Oh wait. Using events. Hold up. Unity. Fuck, how do I use act? Hold up. I forgot actions. Hold up. Unity actions. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. So, input action system. What Unity service uses actions. Oh fuck. Fuck, I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Fuck, hold up. Oh wait, I have button action holder, hold up. I forgot I have you in my script, hold up. System. There we go, I forgot you exist. Unity system. Oh wait, no, I also need it for you as well, alright. Good. Action. Hold up. Tablet, button. Hold up. What do you use for you? Oh, right. Unity engine UI, right? And if I'm not wrong, I need EU to be in here as well, so I can add buttons. Button. Uh, s- okay, skill button and hold up. Oh wait. Fuck. Fuck. My eyes are itching. Fuck. I'm trying to go to the TV. Hold up. Okay, so I need to go to the movie real quick. Hold up. Oh, wrong button. There we go. Be right back. Alright, chat, I'm back. Oh god, sorry for taking a while shitting. Oh, I take pause the video. Okay, so, what did I miss? Alright, hold up. Fuck. Okay, alright, hold up. I was taking a fat ass shit. Okay. Hmm. Mm. Void start. Skill button. Oh wait, hold up. I forgot something. Hold up. Button action. Hold up. Uh, there we go. Hold up. There we go. Hold up. My eyes are itching a bit. Hold up. Uh, hold up. Oh wait, hold up. No. Wrong thing. Hold up. Skill button. This is just to test some stuff. I don't actually need to keep this around. Yes. No. Okay. Yeah. Button. Dot. Hold up. Fuck, I forgot. Yes. Get up. Skip. Slot. Dot. Add. Fuck. I forgot how to add a new action to this skill. Hold up. I don't code for like a 1 week and I immediately forget how to code. Hold up. And action unity. There we go. Oh, right, it's a plus equal, right? It's plus equal. Hold up. Public. Hold up. Void. Skill. Oh, sorry. Slot. There we go. Oh, hold up. Fuck, I forgot. I forgot. Okay. Action slot. Okay. Never mind. I need to make a few functions real quick. Okay, so public public void health coke. Sorry, hold up. Max health coke. Hold up. Okay, so. Fuck it. Health equals. Strength Hold up. That suddenly reminds me. You know what? Hold up. Let me delete this real quick. Oh fuck! That reminds me. I need to. I'm gonna pull some stuff from. Hold up. Where is me scripts? Oh, wait, no, I shouldn't be pulling it from Lido. I should be pulling it from M Strike. Hold up. Oh, wait, no, it's not under. It's not under here. Hold up. It should be under. Where the fuck are you? I don't know. Where the fuck are? There you are. Okay. I need to find assets, scripts. There should be a game manager. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna copy the whole thing. I'm just gonna copy the top part of it. Hold up. Oh, shut up, Visual Studio Code. Shut up. No. Okay, I'm just gonna deal with it later. Okay, where is... Alright, hold up. Let me copy this. Bring it to my new game manager. But that reminds me, is there a way I can... window... Edit. Hold up. File. I'll figure this out later. Hold up. Canvas. Alright, there we go. I just need this. Copy that. Throw this down here. There, and okay, hold up. Scripts. Hold up, let me find. Where is? Where? Yeah, I'll just grab this. Grab it from here. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Where it? There it is. Copy that and dump it right here. Oh wait, no, dump it right here. Right, there we go. So, did I forget to? Oh, I forgot to unhide the screen. I just realized I forgot to unhide the screen. Hold up. Oh my god, I forgot to unhide the screen. Oh, I'm being an idiot. Oh god. Okay, Jesus Christ. Why did no one tell me? Why did no one tell me, chat? Alright. So, basically, this okay, now this is in. I can actually go to Game Manager and just manually set the multipliers instead of having it set. Instead of writing it manually, I can just do it here. I don't know how to explain this. Okay, so basically, what I'm gonna do here is just, in a sense, set the scaling of how much each stat is gonna help scale the character. So like, let's say I write, hold up, public float, that damage scaling with let's just start health scaling. Hold up, health scaling with constitution. Constitution. I may have misspelled that, but fuck it. I didn't rewrite it. Like, let's say you get 2 health, not 4 health per constitution, and then we go to, like, let's say public float health scaling with will, and then write that as like 2 or something like that. Okay, I should probably do it like per stat. Hold up. Hold up. Let me think. Hold up. I could do a function where instead of having it written like this. Hold up. Let me think. You know what? Hold up. I could do a function actually. Function would be easier. So I can just wait, no, but then that would be a bit weird because if I were to do it here, then why would I do it here? I mean, if I do it here, then wait. You know what? Fuck. I'm gonna have just hold up. Let me Control Z this real quick. Let me thank God for Control Z. Okay, there we go. Public float. Attack. Physical attack scaling. Wait, hold up. Attack scaling with strength. Scaling with I should probably write the entire like a separate file just for like all of these variables. I should probably do that instead of doing this, because this is just like it feels clunky. Attack scaling with strength. Let's just say like 1. Hold up, 1. Let me think real quick. Oh wait, no, this would feel very messy if I want to like type out like the calculation, and if I want to change like how something scales, it would feel very weird. Fuck. Hold up. You know. Max self. Okay, hold up. Base max self calc. Hold up. Base max self calc. Base max self calc. Final max health calc, and then I have a base max health calc. Public void base max HP Coke. Oh wait, hold up. Oh wait, no, I just realized that there will be a slight issue. Hold up. Whatever. Okay. Mm, oh wait, no, technically I do not need this. Hold up. Base health. I'm gonna just do it base health plus equal. Wait, no, equals 0. Base health equals. Oh wait, hold up. Plus equals cons constitution times 4. Basically, your constitution times 4. Hold up, that's not a year. It's fucking itchy as hell. Hold up. Anyways, and then base health plus equal will times 4. Sorry, will times 2. Oh, I also forgot one more number I do want to actually have. It attack multiplier. Hold up. Public and flat attack boost. Extra attack public and extra max health. Basically, just if I want to give the players like an extra flat boost to their health pool or something like that, it would make it slightly easier for me to do that. Right, hold up. Extra max health. Public and max defense. Public and extra max mana. Anyways, extra max mana. Max health equals base health times health multiplier and then plus extra health. There we go. There we go. Alright, so this is how to do the max health calc. And hold up. Public full heal. Oh, wait, hold up. Public void full heal. Max health coke equals max health coke, and then health current health equals max health. There we go. Hold up, let me drink. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, hold up. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, hold on. Let me just minimize this real quick. Hold up. Minimize. There we go. Minimize. Hmm. Hold up. Public void hack code. Uh, base attack equals. Oh wait, no, hold up. Let me think real quick. Hmm. Hmm. Oh wait, no, this is the chat. I just suddenly realized I want there to be like several attack types in the game, and I want them to kind of scale off different stats. Basically, for example, let's say I have healing spell or something like that. I don't know. Or like a fireball. Sorry, fireball, for example. I wanted to scale off intelligence instead of like attacks. Sorry, instead of strength. So having an attack calc would feel a bit weird in my opinion. I could possibly just give attack or like strength just a flat. It's not only a flat. An attack multiplier of like 1% +1%. Other than that, I'm not sure what I can do with attack because I want different scaling attacks. I like attacks that scale with different things. Hmm. Okay, I mean, I could have strength be like the baseline for all attacks, I guess. I could. Mm, I'll skip off attack calc for now. Because I don't really have any idea on what to do for like attacks. Yeah. I mean, I have a few ideas. I'm I'm definitely gonna relook at my old code for Infinite Dungeon so I can like import not just import code, but uh technically you can't import code, but I can in a sense write code that's inspired by my old code, alright? Anyways, public void the calc defense calc. Okay. That also reminds me, for the defense, for just like general stat calculation in general, I plan to go. How do I explain this? Okay, hold up. Let me think on how I'm gonna explain this real quick. Okay. Okay, so there's gonna be like a stat system. For defense, it's gonna be armor. There's also gonna be constitution. Like you get some raw defense from constitution and bonus constitution from armor. Basically, constitution is the defense stat. All right, chat. That's what I'm thinking of. You know what? I have an idea. The base defense equals Constitution. I think it's because I haven't really added an actual armor system yet. I'm just gonna leave it as Constitution, and then the hold up. Oh wait, I also forgot to add defense. Extra max defense. Oh, sorry, not max defense. Extra defense and public defense. Public and final defense. Total defense. Hold up. Total defense. Total defense equals base defense multiplied by defense multiplier plus hold up one. Oh wait, no. Constitution divided by 100. Hold up. Hold up. Basically, like for every constitution, you get just 1% more defense. Why not? It'd be funny, trust. And then we do math at floor. Math F dot floor. Why are you giving me errors? Excuse me. Oh, bro, error list is on it. Bruh, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Math. Math for floor. Math. Is that math? I am curious. Math integer. Nope. Oh, that fuck it. Corporate defense. Load. Dot floor. All right, there we go. Basically, I just want to have this as like a floor, because why not? Later on, I'm definitely gonna add like armor. Whenever I add equipment to the game, I'm gonna actually have to edit this like the defense scope. Hold up. Also, actually, hold up. Control X. I'm gonna actually throw you here instead. Cause the reason why I want to do that is because I want to keep them all in one area, and then when I need to reference it, I can just look at all of them at once. Public void. Max mana. Coke. Oh yeah, by the chat, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah. Alright, hold up. Max. Okay. Base. Mana. Hold up. I just realized I technically don't need a base mana stat because there is kind of already like I don't need to like cite it here in a sense. Hold up. You know what? because I technically do not need you. Start at myself. I'm gonna only declare it in the thing itself. Hold up. Int base health. I'm gonna declare it there essentially. And instead of declaring it up here, because it would be a bit messy, I'm gonna be honest. Base defense, I'm gonna remove that. Base mana, I'll remove that. Extra mana. Okay, there we go. There we go. Hold up. Defense coke. And base max mana. Max mana equals to intelligence times 4 base max. Base. Sorry. Base max mana. Correct. Plus equal will times 2, and then max mana equals to this max mana times the max mana coke plus plus. Oh fuck! Hold on, I messed up. Hold on, I put a max mana multiplier. There we go. Plus extra max mana. Put that there, like that. Hold on, let me drink. Hold up. Defense. And then all of this on top, we just add a plus. Extra defense. There we go. Alright. Hold up. I forgot to add one more bracket. I actually deleted one bracket. Hold up. There we go. Alright, so max mana coke. And then we have a function that just calls all of these three functions out. Oh, I also forgot to add on my function. Hold up. Public void full mana. And hold up. Mana equals to max mana. For there we go. Oh, I forgot. Hold up. Max mana coke. Okay, there we go. And then we have another script be able to call public void coke stats. Coke stats, there we go. Coke stats. Max of coke. Max. Hold up. So, max mana coke and defense. Go, alright. There we go. Then we can actually just easily run out 3 of them. Button, action holder. Oh, hold up. Sorry. Skill button dot. Huh? Oh, right, I call it skills. I should probably rename that thing, but whatever. Plus equal. Stats. Close that. Alright, so we do. Okay, we're done with this. We can now go into Unity real quick to test this out a bit. Bruh, Unity is gonna take a while to load. Hold up. Jesus Christ, that is. How many lines do we have already? Jesus Christ, 81. That's a lot. But anyways, hold up. Okay, so we have. Jesus Christ. Let's say okay. Let's give him 10 strength. Let's give him 10 of each stat. Why not? Dexterity and precision don't really affect the these few. Oh, I forgot to add speed. Actually, I forgot to add speed. Speed is a very important stat. For turn order and everything. Basically, okay. Dex. What I want Dex to do for this game is be able to help you go faster and crit. Crit more often. It's basically crit chance. Whereas precision, I want it to be crit damage and more mana. Sorry, crit damage, more mana, and okay, hold up. I think there's one more thing I wanted to crit through, but I can't remember. Hold up. Oh yeah, I want precision to have okay. Precision would give you a bit of extra crit chance, but it's less crit chance than dexterity. And okay, crit, a tiny bit of crit chance, crit damage, and a tiny bit of mana. That's what I want precision to do. But since we don't have speed nor the crits, the crit chance or crit damage, we won't really touch on that for now. We just I forgot to do one more. I forgot precision does provide to mana. Right, hold up. Oh wait, you know what? I could give precision tiny. Okay, I can give precision a tiny boost to all offensive magic spellcast that basically increases the magic spell damage, whereas intelligence just increases the magic damage total. Also, not magic damage. Magic efficiency. Just magic power in a sense, healing, buffs, attacks. It's just the general stat for magic. And then will be just for healing, healings and support kind of stuff. And then precision will be for damage. First, strength is just unga bunga, one number go boom. Okay, anyways. And I do plan to add a lot of physical attacks that also get boosted by intelligence. There are going to be definitely a lot more physical attacks than magic attacks. And also, let me think real quick, hold up. Because the thing is, from the current game design that I used the initial Infinity Dungeon, hold on, I actually do need to look at my old code. How did I balance strength and intelligence? Because as of now, I feel running a magic build would be a lot better than just running a strength build. How the fuck did I do that? Hold on, let me open my old one real quick. But did I even use the 6-stat system in this version of the Infinite Edition? Because I do remember using 6 stats. Huh. Oh wait, okay, wait. I think I remember now. Intelligence gives bonus magic damage. Sorry, let's say not damage. Bonus magic power. Bonus magic. Sorry, no. Bonus mana. and a slab of EXP gain. Like increase in EXP gain. Hold up. Jesus Christ. This is some like really spaghetti code. Hold up. Shit. Hold up. Oh, I actually did it differently. Hold up. I'm trying to look at my old code to like figure out what I did different. Okay, Jesus Christ, this is a lot of. Oh my god, this is so much spaghetti. This is disgusting. Hold up. Where's the skills? What's the point where I calculate the skill? Okay, I think I. Where the fuck is this shit? Oh no, that's the leveling up. No, because I think chat. I wrote my old game in like one single script, which is like it makes things a lot harder for me to just figure out what the fuck is going on. Oh, okay, hold up. That's equipment. Okay, wait, hold up. Slap, remove that physical attack. Okay, damage for combo. Good chance. Good little more. Okay, that's crit. Damage dealt. Punching power. How much damage dealt? Punching power. Crit. Okay. Damage that equals. Cool. Oh, okay, wait, hold up. Okay. I think I remember how I made the thing do damage. Okay, so basically I had attack give a flat damage boost to all physical attacks. And sorry. Let me think real quick. Hold up. Okay. Combo power, skill power. If 2 plus attack plus combo power, single palm multiplier divided by 100 times attack crit E defense. What up? Have any magic things in here? I mean, like, have any magic spells? Freeze. Oh, I have freeze. Hold up. Let me see how I skilled freeze real quick. Debuff. Oh no, freeze is a debuff. Oh no, everything's scaled off attack. Oh, hold up. Ooh, hold up. Okay, I don't think I actually have any magic attacks in the Infinity Dungeon, actually. They're all like physical. Oh, wait, no, hold up. Toxic Fumes. That is elemental skill type attack. Oh no, technically this is an attack skill that. Hold up. Okay. I think I figured it out. Okay, so I didn't actually have a magic scaling thing, I think. Okay, so I don't actually have intelligence, if I'm wrong, only helps with I think spells, sorry, not spells, non-attack stuff, which I would say it's kind of weird in my opinion. Like it only does buffs. Wait, no, it doesn't even deal with debuff actually. It's just wait. What the fuck does intelligence do? Hold up. Oh, okay. It's, yeah, I think it's for buffs only. It's for buffs. Yep. Oh, no, it also does for some magical attack. It's just some bonus scaling for magical attack, which is why. Oh my god, I don't know why I coded it this way back then. It's so weird. Hold up. The way I coded things back then is just so weird. Oh. Anyways, hold up. Text. Oh, I need to actually throw button action script onto you. Hold up. And then the button. Hold up. I drag this into you. No function. Button action holder. Code T in broadcast. Run start action. There we go. Run start action. And then I can go to player. Take this to show you here. Okay. This calculation thing should work. Hold up. I press the button. Oh, hold up. I forgot to do something. Hold up. Health multiplier 1. Defense multiplier 1. There we go. I am so stupid for that. I forgot that anything multiplied by 0 is a 0. Anyways, now if I press this should work. Work, please. Oh, there we go. Max mana 60, max health is 60. Total defense is 10. Attack. Okay, I'm actually gonna leave the attack thing empty for now because how'd I put it? I feel that attack should be a bit different. I wanna handle attacks very differently from Infinity Dungeon. I like this remake of my video game. This remake of Infinity Dungeon. I wanna handle attacks differently. Like I wanna handle like the stats slightly differently, but not completely differently. Because I feel like I handled it pretty poorly in my opinion. I mean, like, it is good, but not the best. Because it also gives like, how do I explain this? It gives importance to strength a bit too much for like damage when you're like quite literally casting magic. So like running strength in a magic build feels weird. You guys get what I mean? Like why are you running strength in a magic build? I mean, to be fair, there isn't the magic side of Infinity Dungeon isn't really done too well. So yeah, that's something I do want to fix in the remake. I want to actually make it do something. Current health. Okay, fine. This makes sense. Okay, so what I actually work on words. Okay, so I need to make a UI for this thing actually. Hold up. Attack. Hold up. I'm actually gonna move you here. I'm gonna move you 0. I'm gonna move you to the middle. So I can add like a scrolling feature in using TMP. Hold up. Let me see if I can. Let me Google something real quick. Let me Google something. How do I add scroll bar using text mesh pro? Okay, hold up. US scroll component report. So window hierarchy UI scroll view. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this off stream. This fuck no, I'm not watching that on stream. Okay. Fuck. I'm trying to figure out how I should like lay out the UI, because the way I layered my old UI is also very flawed in my opinion. Yeah. I should probably take out like a pencil and paper. I just realized I actually. Oh my god. Hold on, let me grab the sketchbook. I'm not sure. I'm gonna actually like. I'm not actually gonna show you guys the sketchbook, but it's an incredibly old sketchbook of mine from like ages ago. Oh my god, the cringe. No. Oh god. Oh no, this is peak. No, this is so cringe. No. Oh, what the fuck was I doing back then? Oh my god. Okay. I have some really weird art hold up from like a really long time ago. Hold up. Oh damn! I actually have some really good art. What the fuck? I I have like a lot of shit art that I have on my old sketchbook, and then all of a sudden I see like a very cutely drawn cat. Like what the fuck? That was me. And then it goes back to that like slop art. Oh god, I feel. What was I doing back then? Was I fucking hot? And then there was I think a portrait. Oh god, I can't actually show this on stream. This another cat. Damn, this is surprisingly good. I mean, like, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than the rest I've drawn on the sketchbook. Jesus Christ. Oh god, it's patriotism. Oh no, something I don't agree with now. There it is. Okay, what else is there in the sketchbook? I think I can use it for like to like plan out the UI, but I do have to. I do want to tear out a few pages because it is peak cringe. But at the same time, it is kind of like a something to show where my art skills have progressed. Oh god, no! I should probably tear out the last few pages. What was I doing back then? What was I fucking doing back then? Oh my fucking god, no! What is this? Oh, it's my first game that I made. Anyways, I also found a bit of like my old Technoblade fan art. I think it's Technoblade. I don't know who who I was drawing. God. Okay, this one I think I can actually show on my Discord server. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the sketchbook to like plan out my UI when I'm off stream. But God, the sketchbook is like full of my old cringe art. No. I used to like drawing back then, but the thing is I don't have time. I just kind of don't have time nowadays to like draw things, so I just end up not drawing anymore. But I have some surprisingly good stuff, and then like for every like 10 bad things I draw, there's like one really good art for like no reason at all. Like the cats that I draw is just like amazing, and everything else is just dog shit. I do not want to look at this book for like so long. Anyways. God, I got the fucking ADHD distracted me. Anyways, God. So. Okay. Alright. Okay, I have the stat calculation thing working. Okay, that's good. Hmm. Hmm. Let me think real quick. How do I want to balance this game? What do I want to balance this game on? Off, at least. Yeah, I might as well start coding down like some like simple attacks. Actually, hold up. Fuck. Where's game manager? There's game manager. Hold up. Uh, hold up. Uh, okay, hold up. Public. Right, should I put like a list? Hold up. Not public list. The game object. Hold up, not game object. Oh no. Entity stats. Key stats. What? Okay. I could make this in a sense like a one script. No, sorry, not one script. A game that can technically run. Wait, no, this game technically would not be able to run without Unity. Hold up. Well, I mean, I can technically make it run without Unity, or I can make it be run with Unity. Alright, okay, because the thing is, other than the visuals, if there's another game engine that could read C# code, and if I make it code in a way where it allows for it to do it in that way, then I think I'll count it as a win, in my opinion. In my opinion, that's a keyword. That's kind of like as a Unity-less system. I mean, whatever. Entity stat list, entity stats. Entity. There we go. Entity. Okay. So under entity stats, I also want to do like. Hold up. Public. And. Sorry, public string. Hold up. String. Name. Public. String. Faction. Okay. So. Let me think. Let me think. String faction and I'm just gonna add, hold up. Entity, list. Hold up. Shift. List. Okay. Entity list. Hold up. Let me think, chat. Entity list. Because the thing is, I don't have any like visuals. Yeah, fuck. I'm gonna actually just. I'm gonna fucking open Photoshop real quick. Adobe Photoshop. Fuck it. I am opening Adobe for. I don't. Wait, hold up. I'm not sure if I can actually have Photoshop be captured on stream. Actually, hold up. Recreating. Not this. Oh, I tried it earlier. I could not get it to work. I mean, I can try again. Hold up. There's always a try. Does it work now? I swear to God, if it doesn't work. I swear to God, if it doesn't work, please work with me. Just work with me, so I don't know. Also, I just realized it's covering my. Hold up. Where is? Ah. Hold up. Adobe Photoshop 2026. Oh, that's the individual parts. Hold up. This one? Not that one. What's this? Okay, now that's the toolbar. That's not that. Not this. No, it's definitely not this. Hold up. Can't Photoshop, please. The tech. Hmm. Not fuck. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm just not gonna do this on stream. Fuck it. I should probably have prepped some. Oh wait, I have art assets from. Oh, I have art assets from. In. Wait, not Infinity. D loop that I can just leech off from. Right. I forgot. Right. Health bar. Health empty. Health full on top. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Order layer one. Basically, this is just to be above the other one. The sprite editor. Okay, this is correct. All right, good, good. Uh, Health empty, health full. Mm, this is just like visually represent the health bar real quick. Okay, okay. But that also reminds me, I should probably remove this skill button thing from here. Actually, hold up. Entity stats. Uh, 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 entity was sorry, okay, entity stats update. Oh, that reminds me, I should probably make a void turn update. Hold up. Void turn update. Instead, I'm gonna do like a void turn update instead of like a void up dot update kind of thing. Because void update applies every frame. Fixed update is every tick. I want something that's like every start of the turn, essentially. Essentially. Jack, essentially. Anyways, so fine game. Actually it's not it. I'm just gonna delete you two, delete you, delete you. Hold up. Uh, Manager dot uh entity list dot add uh mm, entity stats. Oh, sorry. Hold up. Wait. How do I add myself to the list? Hold up. How do I add myself to the list? Uh, just like technically, hmm. Oh wait, technically this is a itself is a component of this game object. Hold up. Oh wait, hold up. Self. Oh yeah, wait. I just realized technically game object is. Hold up. I just realized game object technically is kind of part of Unity. Hold up. I mean, that's kind of like how we're linking scripts, actually. Hold up. Eh, that's kind of like how we're linking scripts here. Is there a way we can game manager dot? I mean, technically, I can all cram this into the game manager script and have the game run off the game manager script. It would work. That's the thing. It would work, but would it be efficient? Mm, fuck that's something I'm not sure actually. Hold up. I mean, it would save the complication of me having to make two scripts in a sense talk to each other. It would save me that trouble for obvious reasons. Uh, hold up. It would save me that particular trouble. But would it be good for me to actually do that? That's something I actually have to think of right now. Because if not, then hmm, you're not okay. You're not chat. You're not chat. I have an idea. This is definitely gonna be a pretty dumb idea. But I'm gonna try write this all in one script. I'm okay. Chat. Hear me out. Hear me out. This is just gonna be like a bit of an experiment thing. Sorry. All of like the inner workings, I'm gonna try write it in one script. This is above an experiment. If it doesn't work, then I'll just rewrite this as like a normal Unity game dev kind of thing. Because I'm just trying out something. I'm just trying out something. I'm just experimenting. You don't learn anything if you don't experiment, chat. You don't learn anything. Control X, Control V. Oh, hold up. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Hold up. I'm gonna make a new class. Right here. I make a new class right there. I'm not gonna give it mono behavior. I'm just gonna make it entity stats like that. Uh, uh, okay, then I'm gonna actually remove these two. This is just a lot of experimenting. I'm gonna experiment on a decent bit of this game. That's kind of like the idea of this. It's experimenting, all right, chat. I'm experimenting with like new ideas. Just, I mean, why not, chat? Why not? This might be a big mistake. Who knows? This might be like the biggest mistake I'll ever make, like ever. But like, if it works, this would be actually amazing. Like, actually amazing. Okay. I think the issue as of now is trying to translate what the computer knows, like the gameplay, like the calculation the game knows, into visual like information that the player can see and then the player can interact with. I think that's the main like cannot really challenge, but it's like the main thing I want to have done. Mm-hmm. Okay, stats. Okay, hold up. Mm, stat list. Oh, damn it, I'm definitely gonna be breaking a lot of shit here because extension of native class. Hold up. Event system. Man, damn it. Where is player? Okay, player is here. Script entity stats. Okay, I'm gonna remove component. I'm actually gonna delete the script entity stats because fuck it. I'm gonna delete it. Uh, for now, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm gonna see if I can code this with like with one script and have that one script control everything. It might fuck things up, but I'm just curious to see what happen. I'm just curious. I'm just curious. Just why not? Why not? Hmm. Okay, hold up. Void start. Uh, hmm. Turn update. Uh, void. Hold up. In combat. Okay, in combat. There we go. So hold up. Start combat. Why not? Okay, now I'm gonna add a new function called start art done start dungeon. Okay. Update. Mm, I'm actually gonna hold up. Love. Check up. I'm gonna delete this. Vo- Instead of using like update, like the void update, I'm gonna do. Well, I actually do need void update for player inputs because the player inputs are actually quite important. Actually, that's sorry, not quite important. It's important, like crucial. So void update last. Okay, hold up. How do I keep inputs? Hold up. How do I store player input into a variable? C sharp. Hmm. Lots of my lines. Okay, wait, hold up. Read line method. Da, 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 da. But how do I store user key key inputs? Key input. Uh, I'm gonna change it to Unity. Okay, there we go. Private. Okay, hold up. Public. Public. Sorry, no, not public. Private. Last. Okay. Key code. Last. Key. S. Last key press equals input. Input. Hold up. Hold up. How do I get users last key input in Unity? Mm, Input the input string. Uh, da, 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 da. Input the input strings. Okay, this I'm not so sure. But what if? Okay, hold up. Do I have four viewers like four lurkers, or do I just actually have four viewers today? What the fuck? That's like an oddly high for me. Not gonna lie. Like holding consistent four viewers is suspicious for me. I don't know why it's suspicious, but you know what? I'll take 4 viewers. All right, chat. I'll take 4 viewers. Hold up. Hold up. Input dot get key get key. Let me get key. Hold up. Key. Equal. Dot. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hold up. Let me think. Let me think. You know what? I actually don't need. Hold up. Hold up. Void update. Basically. Oh, wait. Do I actually need to have void update? Because I can just use. I can just run everything through buttons. Actually. Hold up. Yeah, I can just run things through buttons. I mean, I know, but I do need to update the UI. But I can actually just do that under. Wait, no, but then I actually need something to. Yeah, I guess we do need void update for like the visual stuff moving around. But we just have this thing here for now. Oh, so like I guess getting button inputs. Okay. I think a few buttons we definitely do need. Hold up, let me tab over to. Oh wait, I just realized something. I forgot to share my stream link. Hold up, get shareable link. I forgot to throw this into my Discord server. Hold up, bruh. This is weird. This is gonna be a bit awkward. Fuck it, whatever. Who pinged me on my dungeon? Announcements, and then boom. I'm just gonna share my live content. There we go. Show game devs. Anyways, so as I was saying, all right. I do actually need buttons. Yeah, I might as well lay out a bit of like the UI and how I want. Okay. Chat. Hold up. Now let me just pull up Uma Musume real quick. Uma Musume Sume PC UI. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna pull up my browser real quick. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna pull up my browser. Where's my browser? Alright, fuck, whatever. Okay, chat. I'm just gonna full fucking screen this. But do you guys see this? I'm trying to like brainstorm of ideas on how I'm gonna implement the UI for the Infinite Dungeon, like Infinite Dungeon remake. I'm just thinking, why not I do it something like something similar to Uma Musume, where like okay, look at this. Hold up. Left hand side, sorry, right hand side is basically all of the buttons. It's not really all of the buttons, right? But like, okay, fuck, how do I explain this? I just like look at. I think of Uma Musume like, yes, I like the idea that the left side and the right side are two different things. The left side is like maybe we can have like some buttons here, cause in the original Infinite Dungeon there's like 4 skills you can use. You can at any time like hold up the 4 skills, and you know the 4 skills would be here, and then everything here would be stuff like inventory, your party members, maybe like the turn order here. We can add like the turn order, like maybe on the side, or maybe over here we can add the turn order here, on top of here like this. Basically like the replacing this top bar for you, just like, oh, who's gonna go next? And then you like, you can see your party members, you can see your equipment or something like that. We could do it that way, or Wait, hold up. World of Warcraft UI, hold up. UI. Because for hell no, I'm definitely not gonna go for a WoW UI. Look at this shit, it's so messy. I mean, I get why they have to do this, but I'm not gonna do that. Hold up. Yeah, maybe something simpler. We can actually go for. Hold up. So let me think. Let me think. Is that game that UI I really like? Nah, there isn't really any game UI that I can think of like off the back of my hand that I really like. Oh wait, Ilona Mobile. Okay. Mobile inventory UI. Read UI. I think one thing I really like about Ilona Mobile's inventory UI is that you can individually select the characters you want to interact with, and then like change their equipment, look at their stats based from that. So we can actually take some inspiration from here as well. I think we should probably have like one tab where it's just your allies, or maybe entities, like where you can like look at each entity on field and how strong they are. We can do that. However, I feel like that's gonna be a bit difficult, but I find that will actually be, I think, somewhat easier, because instead of having a distinguish, like something that can distinguish them, like you can just see all of the allies, like so not all allies, like everything on the field, so you can do more. Oh, hello there. Chapter, I sent in my resume for a job at a nuclear power plant. I'm gonna be super duper responsible. Oh god, no, it's Raging Doggo. No, don't let him near the nuclear power plant, no. Anyways, that's a joke, chat, that's a joke. Anyway, so. Let me think, chat, let me think. Anyways, okay, so. Start dungeon. Okay, wait, hold up. Let me think. Hold up. Let me mute my mic real quick. Hold up, chat. I need to pick up dinner real quick. Hold up. I need to pick up dinner. Give me a sec, chat. I need to go pick up dinner. Let me make sure the background audio is playing real quick. Hold up. The background music is playing. I'm gonna click on this one real quick. This one's a bit nicer. No, fuck, I'm gonna run this. This should work. This should be a nice one. Okay. I'll be back, chat. I'll be back. Finally go pick up dinner. Why isn't the music playing? There we go. I'm gonna mute my mic now. Alright, chat, I'm back. Hold up. Let me pull out my earbuds. Alright, hold up. Let me pull out my phone as well so I can read chat. Okay, anyways, I'm back. The entire time you were gone, I went downstairs to make a sandwich and a bit. I indeed had reached peak multitasking. My beers and keys are looking nice right now. I hit how Xbox increases price of almost everything and yet not at anything good. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Xbox is kinda ass lately. I'm gonna be dead ass. I mean, they used to have some pretty good stuff like Halo and stuff, but now it feels a bit muddied down because of like the prices. It's not worth the price anymore, chat. Oh god, the outside is so hot. I'm actually sweating. God, it's disgusting. I'm actually sweating, chat. Disgusting. Anyways, hold up. Let me refresh something real quick. Hold up. Alright. Anyways, so where was I? Oh right, I was doing this, right? Okay, so alright. But since I'm actually okay, how do I explain this? Since I'm writing this thing in like one script, I can actually edit this thing outside. So I have to like have a within script class editor. No, like not class editor, but a way to add a new class in a sense. Yeah, I'm gonna reference my old script real quick. I like my old code to figure out what I did there. Hold up. Python source file. Oh my god, it's so old. Daytime. Dungeon and oh, that was. Oh, I just realized it was the fucking religion update. I forgot. Anyways, fuck. Hold up. Fuck. Oh, fuck. You know what? I just realized something. I need to add a new function here as well. Hold up. Void new entity, and then it takes an hold up, let me think real quick. Is there a way I can hold up. It must declare a body because it's not marked as an abstract. Okay, hold up. Hold up, let me think real quick. I need to have like find a way that I can make a template within the script itself. And try to remember how to make fucking templates. Hold up. Using. Wait, no, I don't actually need to do this. Hold up. Fuck. Hold up. Public. Wait, no, not public. Private. A private class. That's right. A private. The stats. Wait, no, hold up. Yeah, I should actually just make a new class. Hold up. I can make a class that holds multiple templates of this entity stats class. Hold up. I think that actually would be a pretty good idea. Hold up. Public class. The entity holder, not entity holder. Yeah. Template holder. There we go. Entity template holder. Then we can have this public entity stats, and then we have a slime. Hold up. Hold up, let me think real quick. We can actually have it mono behavior. Actually, hold up. Slime dot. Oh, hold up. Slime. Oh wait, right. I need to make it equals. Oh wait, no, right. Oh wait, no, oh wait, right. Equals new entity stats open and close bracket. There we go. Then we can do. Hmm. Mono all behavior. Alright. Then we should just have this run all on start actually. I mean we could have it run all on start or hold up. Oh yeah, I can actually do it. Hold up. No, I think I have a better idea. I have a better idea. Hold up. Yeah, I have a better idea. Hold up. Wait, no, not void. Public entity stats, and then we call this a slime. We just make this a function, and then we have like an input for this. Hold up. That also reminds me. Float. The multiplier. This is just something I can have to return. Anyways, stats. The T stats. Stats equals new entity stats. We have to run that. Okay. And then we have okay, then we have to return stats. Okay. Then we can actually just set the base values here then. If I'm not wrong, we can actually just wait. We can have it run within this code or have it run outside of the code. Which either way it's fine, in my opinion. Template. We're gonna add a. But I've got to plug in my phone actually. Hold up. Let me plug in my phone. Okay. Was chat loading? I can't tell if chat is loading. Whatever. Right. Stats. Dot. Equals 1. Oh, hold up. Difficulty multiplier. Oh, right, I forgot, right, about that, right. Yeah, I'm actually gonna edit this real quick, hold up. Okay, hold up. Is it attack? Okay, wait, okay, hold up. Float. Okay, multiply or float and, hold up. Max health. Health multiplier. Oh, right, okay, hold up. Float. Oh, hold up. Float to an integer. Oh, okay, hold up. How do I typecast again? Fuck. How do I typecast? How do I typecast Unity? No, it's just C#. C#. A double. Okay, hold up. Let me see if I can typecast this. Because it'd be weird to have hold up. And is it? Oh my god, I can actually typecast it. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Defense calc. Math floor. Why not? Total defense. Defense multiplier. Float. Max mana. Float. Okay. Then we just do the same for this. Integer. Additional one at front there, and then we add an additional one at the back there. So then this is our typecast. Alright, I think this is good. Good. Alright, so. Oh wait. Hold up. Let me think real quick. Do I want the stats to have the multiplier? From the difficulty multiplier? Because the thing is, I want the dungeons to get more difficult as the further you go down. You know what? I'll make it in such a way where... Okay, hold up. Okay, wait. We could just boost the base stats, and then we... Yeah, I'm just gonna give them boosted base stats. Hold up. Yeah, but for first, there it goes. 1 stats dot defense multiplier equals 1 stats start hold up, multiplier equals 1 dot maximum multiplier equals 1. Hold up, let me drink something real quick. What's that? What the fuck? What the fuck is that in my mouth, bro? Blah. Okay. Okay, hold up. Stats. Okay, hold up. Dot strength equals 1. Hold up. And 1. Let's set it to like 2. Hold up. 2 times difficulty multiplier. Okay. Stats. The constitution equals and 1 times the what the fuck difficulty multiplier stats dot dexterity equals and 4 times. Wait, no, yeah, I'm gonna put it to 3 times the difficulty multiplier. I'm just eyeballing a few stats here and there, because why the fuck not? Stats dot precision equals and what times difficulty multiplier stats. Okay, dot intelligence equals and let me think real quick. The integer. Let me think. Intelligence. Let's give him like 1. I'm gonna give it like a 4 times difficulty multiplier. Stats dot will equals and let's say 3 times difficulty multiplier. Boom. All right. Okay, so let's see. Oh wait, stats on. I forgot stats on name. Right, hold up. Stats dot name equals slime. Alright, hold up. I forgot. Anyway, stats dot faction. Wild. Basically, this is just say like, hey, tell the game like, hey, this is a wild animal, so that they wouldn't really do anything really. Anyways, is this a really crude way of running a fucking place order? Yes, it kind of is, but it would work. It will work. That's the worst part. It will fucking. Anyways, private void update start dungeon. Okay, so new entity. For now, I just have it not randomized because no, I'm not randomizing the shit. No, I mean, okay, mainly because gotta explain this. I do not feel like there's a need to randomize it. I don't know. But I mean, like, you only have one for now. So we're not gonna like write a new piece. Not a new piece. An entire like. Yeah, whatever. I'm just not gonna write the randomization part yet. So hold up. Let me look up here real quick. I'm gonna delete this real quick. Entity list. Hold up. Entity list plus dot add, and we're gonna have a. Oh wait, hold up. We're actually gonna public. We're gonna make a public tt template holder, the template holder, boom, hold up, equals new entity template holder, that, and boom. Okay. Template holder dot slime. All right, then I need to get difficulty multiplier. Public float. Public float. Difficulty multiplier. So right there. Okay, so basically what this does is that it adds in a fuck. How to explain this? It displays it creates this new slime thing into the list. Alright. Makes sense. I also do need to actually add some stuff real quick. I need to add public and time. Hold up. Time next action. Okay. I mean, I could have it so that they take like one turn at a time instead of doing like a time-based system like Honkai Star Rail. However, I feel like okay, there are ups and downs of having like a turn-based system like Star Rail. Sorry, no, not turn-based system. Okay, sir. We could do the turn system two ways. The method one I'm thinking of is the Honkai Star Rail turn order thing, where there's like a timeline of like who's gonna move next. And I really like that idea where there's like a timeline of like, okay, who's gonna go next kind of thing. So that's always something I want to try do. Oh, no, not always try to, but I just want to try it out at least, because I tried it out in Infinity Dungeon. I think it doesn't work super well, but I want to try it here. I'll add a speed stat later. New entity turn update. Okay. Void. Hold up. Void. Sorry, not void. New entity. Call the new entity function. Start dungeon. Okay, hold up. Okay, hold up. Okay, so chat. One thing I would want to do is okay. No, let me think, chat. Let me think. Fuck. Well, let me check the playlist real quick. Hold up. Is the playlist okay? Anyways, as I was saying, right? Max out calculation. Okay, hold up. Entity template holder. Max out calc. Okay. These stats. Let me think. Okay, so start dungeon. Entity list equals new list entity stats. So we're basically just gonna recreate the thing from scratch, wipe that thing, and we're gonna create a new variable for the player. Oh, that reminds me. Alright. Entity template holder. Alright. I can go in here and add I'm just gonna add a fucking player. No, fuck it. Public. Entity stats. Player. And wait. I just realized making up the player would actually be a bit more complicated because there is gonna be some in a sense changes because I want this game to be like a roguelite instead of a roguelike, so there'll be like a bit of like additional stats. Fuck, hold up. I mean, I can just copy paste the slime thing. Just that the numbers will be that I can just tweak the numbers a little bit. Hold up, Control C and then Control V here. Right. Hold up. I'm just gonna remove this part of here. Hold up. Okay, wait, why is some? Oh, hold up, I see. Actually made an additional thing. Okay. Okay. I can actually modify this. Oh wait, I just realized something. We can actually just make the roguelite part just upgrade in a sense like a entity stat sheet or like an entity stats list. So I'm not sure, not entity stats, entity stat class, and then transfer the entity stat class onto the actual game itself. I mean, we can do that. Hold up. Hold up. I have an idea. We're gonna make another. Oh god, do we need to make another class? Okay, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Let me drink some of my monster real quick. I like how I haven't moved anything on Unity's end yet because I don't know, this is, and I'm coding a turn-based game. I don't know why, but I really focus on the script itself. Like, it's interesting. Anyways, goddamn. Public class. Wait, I just realized that will be a bit. Hold up. Whatever. Roguelite upgrades. And hold up. Wait, hold up. Let me take a look at my old thing real quick. Hold up. I'm gonna run this real quick. Two upgrades. Oh fuck. Okay, hold up. Attack, HP, defense, mana, speed, and XP. That's like I have 6 stats. But like, I just realized I didn't actually have anything that's related to any of the 6 stats. I mean, I guess that kind of does balance things out a bit. But I'm just thinking chat. Oh, sorry. Got Bob. Okay, let me think real quick. Public integer. Oh yeah, I mean I did make this into a class, so I can more easily transfer this over. Okay, I could make it so that it allows me to upgrade each stat individually, but at the same time, okay, I'm actually gonna revamp the roguelite, like permanent, endless upgrades, like the infinite upgrades in a sense. Because there's gonna be like two kinds of upgrades. There's gonna be the unique upgrades where you can only buy one time, and they're gonna be like the infinite upgrades where you can buy them as many times as you can, like as many times as you want. Which I'll say in my opinion, it's a good idea. It's gonna be a good idea. Trust. Anyway, so I think for the infinite upgrades, I'm gonna make them like progression bonuses where, okay, not just progression bonuses, but hold on, let me think real quick. Like they're gonna allow you to progress faster. Wait, no, hold up. Let me think. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna keep the exact same 6 of them. Which the 6 of them, by the way, are attack, HP, defense, mana, speed, and XP. Wait, no. Wait, hold up. Yeah, those are the 6 by default. I'm gonna actually change. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna change out speed for gold gain. Guess why not? Because the thing is, I don't want. Okay, I know speed is it's definitely gonna be a very controversial thing to add in any game. Because I think the issue with speed in a lot of games is that once you, like any turn-based games, is that if you if you're like way too fast, the enemy quite literally cannot hit you, and that's kind of an issue that I experience in Infinite Dungeon. So I'm just not gonna allow you to level speed. So like you won't be able to initially outspeed the enemy. You have to actually like work for it, that kind of thing. So it will be attack, HP, defense, mana, and gold and XP gain. That's like the infinite upgrades you can get for now. Oh, I'm actually gonna get event. Yeah, I'm actually gonna add a 7th one actually. Wait, no. Now I'm gonna keep the 6. I'm gonna keep it simple. ATT is attack, public integer, health, public, and EE defense, public, mana, public, oh wait, no, I actually should make them gold, sorry, not gold, floats. I should make them floats instead. Float, and then float. Alright. Float and gold gained and public float X key gained. Alright, XP gained. Alright. Yeah. Hold up. I'm actually gonna have them have a default value. Let me just manually set the default value for them. Might as well. Hold up, hold up. Equals 1. Equals 1. That's a default level. Hold on, let me think. The multiplier that I actually want to set for them. What multipliers do I actually want them to like set for them? Like each level, how much do I want to have them add? That's a good question that I had to ask myself. Hold up. I think a good number for me to have them like add per level, I think is like 1%. Because like I did 10% in the original Infinity Dungeon, and I feel it's too overpowered. 10% is too much. I'm like, you can do it endlessly, so I'm gonna be less. How to put it? Less. What's the word called? Fuck. Less kind. Less generous with things you can stack infinitely. Difficulty multiplier. Public upgrades equals new roguelite upgrades, and then hold up. Oh, I forgot to set the name for it. Hold up. Upgrades. Okay, there we go. Permanent upgrades. There we go. Okay. We can have that. We can have that now. Good. So now, let me think real quick. Okay, wait. I'm just thinking how I would manage the UI actually. Hold up. Let me think real quick. Let me think. Let me cook. Jesse, let me cook. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Fuck, I actually do need like a hold up. Let me go back to Unity real quick. Okay. Fuck. Alright, I need to make a new text box real quick. UI text mesh pro. New text. Okay, good. Okay. Fuck. I need to not just auto declare. Okay, not just auto declare. I need to instantiate a new variable. Sorry, not a variable. Instantiate a new UI prefab. Wait, do I even need to instantiate a new UI prefab? Because I can just have it hidden away. I like have that UI element hidden away. Then when I need to call it back, I can just unhide it. No, I think that would work actually. I think that would work better than just having to recreate that prefab. Hold up. Okay, let's call this entity stats. Okay, let's call this entity stats. Okay, entity stats attack. Let's call it. Let us rename the button to button because it'll be a bit weird. The button. Okay. TMP entity stats. That's UI. We can actually expand this text box real quick. We're gonna expand it maybe up to here for now. We're just gonna use this as like a testing, like test to see if I like the idea at least. Main camera, game manager, difficulty multiplier. Okay. Entity stats UI. Public entities. Oh, I need to import the. So I need to do it using TM Pro. Using TM Pro should work. TM Pro. Hold up. Text. TM. Input field. I'm just gonna put TM Pro for a bit. No, fuck it. TM Pro. Button player canvas. Entity stat UI, text mesh pro, and text UI. Okay, hold up. UI. Wait, no, hold up. Member modifier public must precede the. Okay, hold up. TM Pro. Oh, okay. It's used like a type. Okay, hold up. Entity stats UI. Hold up. PU. Okay. Pro. Hold up. Let me see. Fuck. How do I edit text? Hold up. TMP text boxes using text mesh pro. Sorry, TMP text boxes using my script. Okay, hold up. New text. Using TM Pro. No. Text Mesh Pro UGY. Hold up. Fuck. Text Mesh. Oh, there we go. Text Mesh Pro UGY entity stats UI. I'm gonna make a new function. Void update. Entity stats UI. Hold up. Oh, goddamn the verb. Okay, hold up. Entity stats UI dot text equals yeah. Ten out of 10 messages. New. I'll ignore that for now. Hold up. Hold up. Name plus oh wait, I just realized I forgot something. Hold up. How would I tell the entity stats UI who is currently in play? Hold up. I'm gonna make a new variable. Hold up. Currently observed. Hold up. And play. Currently as the entity. Okay, void start. Start dungeon. Start dungeon. I probably misspelled dungeon, but fuck it. Start dungeon. New entity. Named. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Entity stats dot. Hold up. Yeah, hold up. Okay. Entity stats. Hold on, let me think real quick. I'm gonna call it. Wait, is it? Did I call it? Okay, inspector. Okay. In SPE dot entity equals to be to. Hold up. Where is it? Entity list dot. Hold up. Currently inspected entity and do that. Hold up. Okay, new entity stats. There we go. Hold up, new entity stats. So I can do that? No. Entity list. Hold up. New entity. Oh, hold up. I think I figured out where I went wrong. Hold up. Hold up. Oh fuck! I cannot control. Okay, anyways, a new entity stats. And then hold up. We do. Currently inspected entity. Would this work? Entity. Oh, entity stats. Oh yeah, right. That's the issue I encountered. Right. Hold up. How do I use you know, I actually don't need to. What fuck? I actually don't need this. Hold up. Oh fuck! Hold up. Okay. Currently inspected entity. Do that. Name plus. Hold up. Plus. Inspected entity. Inspected entity dot. Name. And I need to do break line. Oh right, I need to do that within the text mesh pro, right? Plus this. Hold up. Do I want to do? Hold up. Fuck it. I'm gonna do another line real quick. Nah, fuck it. Line break. I'm gonna do line break. Line break. Oh, okay, fair enough. That makes sense. Line break plus. Yeah, yeah. Mm, yeah. Dot health, current health plus uh, inspect the entity dot max health. Let me think real quick. Dot health plus BR. Oh, I forgot about the line break. Hold up. Break. Oh fuck! I forgot something. Hold up. I forgot to add a space here, so that it wouldn't be like all the way like mushed up against there. All right. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, I forgot to add a plus at the back. I forgot to add a plus here real quick. Plus. Well, I mean, do I technically need the plus sign? I can just not close that. Or would the code just start tweaking? Oh no, the code just starts tweaking if I don't close it properly. Yeah, right. My bad. Hold up. This code starts tweaking if I don't close it properly. All right, that makes sense. All right, that makes sense. Okay. Hold up. I'm gonna actually just write all of this on like this because it's easier on my eyes. Hold up. All right, hold up. It's like super fucking easy on my eyes if I do this. All right. Mana plus inspected entity dot current mana plus slash plus inspected entity dot max mana dot plus line break line break plus okay. Okay, hold up. That reminds me of something. Hold up. Inspect the entity. Dot max of coke. Inspect the entity dot max mana coke. Oh, okay. Wait, what are the cokes do I have? Hold up. Should probably add a function to just calc all of them for me. Oh, there is a function to help me calc all. Hold up. So I don't have to like manually do it one at a time. Okay. Calc stats. Hold up. The defense plus hold up plus expected entity dot the photo defense Lundberg, plus. This is so scuffed. I'm gonna be honest. This feels scuffed, but you know what? If it's to set text, I don't fucking mind. All right. Then we can do the 6 stats finally. I feel like having a few of them on one line would make it slightly neater, but at the same time, it also could be quite messy. So I'm just gonna do that on like. I could either split up the text box, or I could just have it all in one line. Sorry, split into 3 different text boxes. My bad. Split into 3 text boxes. Honestly, I feel like having just one text box and all of them just being in one line would be a better idea than splitting them into 3 text boxes. I mean, for now we keep it simple, one text box. Even if it looks ugly, I just need to like proof of concept, just proof of concept. Strength. I just need like a proof of concept real quick. Okay. Inspect the entity. Inspect the entity dot. Strength plus. Hold up. Line break. Hold up. Plus. Hold up. Con. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm actually gonna just run this real quick. I'm gonna see how it looks first. Actually, hold up. Update entity status stats UI. Oh, hold up. I forgot to do this, right? I forgot to do that, right? There we go. There we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, I just closed that thing by accident. Whoopsie daisies. Whoopsies. Okay, so we run this. This should work. This should work. Please work. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, which one? Entity stats. Oh, right. I forgot to assign that. Hold up. I forgot to assign the text box. Hold up. Bruh. Me being stupid. Hold up. Boom. Now this should work. This should work. Please work. Okay. That's weird. Health 0 out of 0, defense 0, strength 0. Oh, right, because the difficulty multiplier is set to 0 right now, right? I forgot about that. Right. Difficulty multiplier. Let's set that to 1 right now. Let's just set it to 1 so that we can actually see this thing in action. Action. I forgot to full heal. I forgot to full heal the entity. Hold up. I forgot to full heal the entity. Hold up. I forgot to like immediately full heal the entity when I generate it. Hold up. Roguelite upgrades. No, not this one. Stats. Dot. Calc stats. Dot. Full heal. I think these are like pretty simple ones to just have. Stats. Dot. Full mana. Oh, right, I forgot to add the brackets. Hold up. There we go. Full brackets go in there. Control C, Control V. All right. Upgrades. level. I'm just gonna add a level part there, the end, and then level. Alright. Then we can hold up. Okay. Actually, though, that reminds me. I want to actually reduce the font size. Maybe 24 for now. This is just, like I said again, proof of concept, just to see if it fucking works. Okay, it works. Okay, so I mean, I'm not done with this thing yet, but it looks good. Yeah, I think it works pretty well. Not gonna lie, I feel like I kind of thought it would at least give me like 1 or 2 errors, but other than that, me forgetting to assign it in the first place, other than that, it fucking works. Like, huh? Like I'm not complaining, but my code working almost first try? Impossible. Anyways. Oh, almost unheard of. Huh. Index, inspector entity dot dexterity. Beer. Alright, hold up. So precision. Inspected entity dot precision. Oh, hold up. Plus beer. Plus God, this is so I mean, I guess writing like individual text box is gonna be difficult anyways. Inspected entity dot intelligence plus beer. Will, and then I'm gonna be honest, I used to hate on Text Mesh Pro so much, but now it's like, oh my god, my lord and savior Text Mesh Pro. Text Mesh Pro is like surprisingly good once you get to learn how to once you learn how to fucking use this shit. It's fucking amazing. You don't understand. It's fucking amazing. Yeah, it's so fucking good. I'm omning it so fucking good. Anyways, a new entity turn up. Okay, so we can see the we can see the entity stats, basically like strength, constitution, dex, precision, intelligence, and will. That's good. Okay, then we can hold up. Okay, let me think real quick. I think as much as I like the idea of infinity, I think I'm gonna have set like a hard cap on how many entities that can show up to 10. Like all like allies and enemies at the same time. Like the hard cap is 10. Even if you have like summoner. Wait, no, hold up. I actually like the idea of having someone to show up. Hold up. Let me think real quick. You know what? I can push the limit to maybe like, okay, 10 like regular entities on each side, 5 regular entities on each side, and then plus 5 like to the cap for summons. of like basically like you want to summon like a skeleton to like temporarily fight for you and then disappear after a while. I think I can give like expand the cap to like 20 at most, but you can only see like the first 10. Or like you can only see the main 10 of them on or like, you can only see and control the main 10 of them, and then the rest you cannot control or like see what their stats are because they're like summons. Summons usually aren't too big of a deal. You can't modify your summons. You can't change the equipment of your summons. Like, what reasonably would you want to do with your fucking summons, chat? Like, give them cute I mean, cosmetics. Why not? Why the fuck not? Why the fuck not? You can give your fucking skeleton like princess hair or something. I don't fucking care. It fucking works. Okay. Stat slime. But I'm gonna like, hide this for a bit. Yeah. Oh damn. Okay, that's really tiny. Ah, whatever. Da-da-da-da. Text up. Okay, let me think real quick. Okay. Start dungeon. Oh yeah, I have a button on screen right now. Actually, hold up. Okay. Uh, mhm. Hold up. New entity. Entity list size. Hold up. Public. Uh, uh, Let me think. You know what? You know. Okay, hold on. Let me think real quick. Let me think real quick. Let me think, Jesse. Let me think. Okay, hold on. Text mesh pro. 30 seconds. Let me just hide this real quick. There we go. We're gonna shorten this a bit. We can actually just fit a few like tiny buttons over here. It will help you select from 1 to 10 which entity you want to look at. And because the thing is, chat, I was like, what the fuck was that sound? Yeah, fuck it, whatever. Uh, oh yeah, right. As I was saying, right. I was thinking of having like uh forward and back button to look at like different entities. But at the same time, like why do that? Like why have like a page system like uh, why use that system when you can just have 10 fucking buttons here? Just choose which entity you want to look at. So I can just basically have this U1 here. I'm gonna move this button up a bit actually. I'm gonna move this button. No, you button, come up here. Go up there. You go up here. Uh, text button. View. Okay, you can stretch down to the bottom. I'm gonna actually reduce your font size actually, because you know, 18. There we go. There we go. Bottom. There we go. Okay. The UI sprite. Actually, hold up. Tile graphic. Button. Set. Okay, how do I? Is that where I can? Okay, hold up. 33. Right now, yeah. 20. And hold up. 20. 25. Let's set you to like 25, 25. 25, 25. Oh god, that's a bit wide. 25, 25. Let's set you to this. And at least that's UI. Hold up. Oh, okay, sorry, hold up. Negative. What did the music stop? Hold up. Did the music stop? Oh, it stopped. Hold up. There we go. Negative 17.5. I'm gonna do the same for you. 17.5. Button. Okay, that is the button hitbox is small. What the fuck? Okay, the visual. Oh, the visual button is small. Hold up. Is there a way I can make the button bigger? Like visually, the button I want it to be like a bit bigger. Cause like, look at this. Okay, hold up. Okay, there we go. Okay, hold up. I want to see how big the button hitbox actually is. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Let me pause this real quick. It's the button text mesh pro. Let's disable text mesh pro for a bit. Button. That is the button hitbox. What the fuck? What the fuck? Pictures from unit. Fade duration. Okay, hold up. Highlighted. Yeah, I'm gonna make this red, like bright red when it's selected, so that I can like roughly see where the bounding box of the button is. Hold up. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna turn up the scale a bit. Hold up. It's like a scroll bar. Is that a scroll bar? There isn't a scroll bar. Hold up. Is there a scroll bar here? No, there isn't. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Oh, I just realized something. I just noticed something else. But for now, this is a slight issue. Okay. Okay. Okay, pause this. Okay, pause this real quick. Okay, so. I noticed that issue. That's one issue. Entity stats UI. I actually need to push you here. Like, push your anchor point over here. Because. Hold up. Entity stats UI. Ooh. Transform. Okay. Let me think real quick. Shit. Entity stats UI. Text mesh. Okay, hold up. What if I... Oh, that's your center point, isn't it? Oh, okay. 0. Okay, that says 0. Hold up. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, hold up. Let me set this pivot to 0, 0 real quick. Pivot to 0, 0. Oh, that's a 0, 0 pivot. The fuck? I am so confused on how this UI element is supposed to be placed. The fuck? Okay. Oh wait, never mind. So I think I need to change the canvas thing. Okay, I think this would work slightly better. Because I think then it would scale with the UI itself. So if I look at the scene, hold up. The UI scene. Where's the UI? Okay, the UI scene. Okay, there we go. Okay, pause. I pause this. Okay, let me stop this real quick. Okay. New text. Okay, yeah, I think it maintains the size. So what I see here is what I get, which is good. It's good. So I don't actually have to worry about warping or anything, which is good. It's really good actually. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? It's good. Okay. Well, I'll accept this. I think the only limitation about the Text Mesh Pro, like the UGUI part, is that you... Wait, hold up. Let me try something. Okay. Image is sprite. Hold up. Temp assets. Okay, wait, hold up. If you were to run this with, let's say, this sword. No, fuck. Delete. button. You need a hold up, image, right? Image. I need to throw on you as an image. Oh, we can actually have transparent PNGs. Okay, that's good. Actually, hold up. What the fuck? Why the fuck did I hate TM Text Mesh Pro for so long? What the fuck? Okay, fuck it. Whatever. Let me delete image real quick. Yoink. Anyways, I think chat. I think I'm gonna call it for. I'm gonna call it a night for today's stream. I mean, I've done I think a decent bit. Like not a lot, but I would say enough to warrant me to get a fucking rest. Warrant me to actually rest for a bit. I mean, rest up for the night. I have a Christmas tree to assemble, chat. It's Christmas, baby. It's Christmas. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out. You better not cry. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys another time. Yeah. Love y'all and goodbye. Bye bye.